Yo, what's up? It's deedotwill, and yeah, it's not an AI, what the fuck. And today I'm gonna show you how to make Speedtrap and slow loops plus beats with secret guest on our new drum key Emperor with myself. And for now, I'm gonna just translate the video as always, but before we start, I have a little disclaimer. Here through the video somewhere there will be a promo code for this drum kit, which you can buy cheaper. So, here is our drum kit, it's on your screen. Right now I will show you how to make Speedtrap loops, and then I will make a beat for it, and we're gonna move on to the slow one. Yeah, so the first thing we need to do is to choose the tempo from the 185 to 200. It can be higher, but it's not worth it, bro. Let's start with the selection plugins for our loop. We'll quickly scroll through everything, choose end song. Don't be afraid, I'm not showing you everything. Remind me to take my clothes off in the middle of the video and sit only in the jacket. The first thing I will start with is the pads. So now I choose pads from different plugins. And usually I continue with either bass or some other additional sound. And when the loop is almost ready, I just add sugar to it. Yeah, and finally we just need to arrange the loop, pitch it up, left, down and right. Let's go. Yeah, and our loop is ready. Let's put it out, listen to it and make a beat for it and so on. So here is our loop, let's listen to it. Let's get straight to the business, you know what I'm saying? So, I guess I should get naked already to make a beat. And right now, let's get straight to the beat. First of all, we need to pick the sounds and all that. I can see the piano roll. You can put your glasses in the bridge of your nose and peek sometimes. I like it. And let's make the second part. We're gonna add the fixes. We're gonna add additional 808. And right now I can take something from this. Yeah, and for now, let's just arrange it in the soul. I'm tired as hell. What the fuck? Oh yeah, and don't forget the text. Where's my text? And let's listen to the whole beat. And we're gonna move on to the next loop. And for now, I'm gonna show you how to make slow, dark loops. Let's go. First of all, as always, I start with the piano. нас сейчас. For now, we just have to make our range on the 4 bars and beat on it. Now loop is ready, and right now Secret Guest gonna show you how to make beats on these type loops. And after that, I'm gonna hop on these 2 beats that we made today. Yo, and right now it's myself with Yall, and right now I'm gonna make a beat on this loop. That's myself into this motherfucker. So, beat is ready, and let's hop to the deconstructing. Now what we have here: straight snare, straight hi-hats, straight 808, beat is ready. Thanks y'all, give me some likes for it. Yeah, I give you some likes. No way. That's myself in this motherfucker. Myself what with you, and right now I'll pass it to the hater. It's me again with you. Let me write something on these 2 beats, and I'll show you how it sounds with vocal in general. Let's go. Helsing, по любви, вау, давай дыши, но я мешаю, детка ты не... Вау, Speedtrap, новые режимы, да, я ставлю свич. Redda, Helsing, детка, со мной еще не по любви. Тяжелый дым в хате, детка, ну давай дыши. Но я мешаю этот звук, детка, ты не шуми. Они знают этот звук живее живых. Да, я мешаю в этом капе, типа хочу жить. Я убиваю этот бит, типа один из чужих. Оставляю следы с крови и его не смыть. Speedtrap, новые режимы, да, я ставлю свич. Redda, Helsing, детка, еще не по любви. Тяжелый дым в хате, детка, ну давай дыши. Но я мешаю этот звук, детка, ты не шуми. Воу, ха-ха. Got small talk, не занят снова. Baby хочет спросить, baby меня не стоит. Got small talk, не занят снова. Baby хочет спросить, baby не стоит. Baby хочет, small talk, да я занят снова. Я режим микро, покажи жесть. Когда small talk, да я занят снова. Да я занят. Когда small talk, хочет спросить, baby не стоит. Baby хочет спросить, Когда small talk, да я занят снова. Baby хочет спросить, baby меня не стоит. And I guess that's all. It was Soul with you. Myself, Leray, 77, Marilyn Monroe. All links to myself, to me, Leray, LeeVFX will be in the description on a new drum kit especially. Leray will do everything beautifully, and here's the drum kit too as well. You can imagine it. That's all. Bye y'all.